Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new Garageband project and choosing the audio or voice template so the tracks are ready to record. Make sure your input device is selected in Preferences and set the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz for standard quality. Once done, enable monitoring only if you need to hear yourself through headphones, otherwise avoid latency. Arm the track for recording and check levels. Aim for peaks around -6 dB so you have headroom for editing later. You now record with purpose. Enable the metronome to lock timing and record one take to feel the performance. When you need better results, record multiple takes and use quick swipe comping to assemble the strongest phrases. This saves time versus redoing whole passes. Make separate tracks for vocals, guitar, and ambient room to avoid bleed and to control levels independently. Once layered, balance each track using gain and pan, and add light compression to smooth dynamics before moving to effects. You finish by cleaning each region, trim silences, add short fades to prevent clicks, and remove obvious noise with the editor. Then mix, apply subtractive EQ to fix muddiness, gentle compression to control peaks, and subtle reverb for space. Make sure to reference on neutral headphones. Use automation to ride levels through the song. When satisfied, export at 44. 1 kHz WAV for highest quality or MP3 for sharing, and check final peak levels. If something sounds off, recheck input latency and sample rate mismatches as a key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.